Hello everyone, and welcome back once again to Rebuild 3, Gangs of Deathville. Last time we gave quite a beating to the Last Judgment gang, and today we are continuing that operation because I really want to get rid of them for at last. Like, they have been such a pain in the ass all this time. I really just want them out of here. And so that's exactly what we're gonna do. The reign of terror is coming to an end. Drive them with nothing apparently. Their reign of terror is coming to an end, and I reckon it's about time. I reckon it's about them sometimes visit us. Let's research them. Poison, let's throw them out. There we go. Okay, that's taken over. Let's continue over into here. Actually, let's raid it first and then do that. We are lowering their strength constantly. And you know what that means? If you are lowering their strength, then sooner or later they're probably gonna have to be forced to surrender. I assume that's how it works. I'm still not quite sure, I didn't do my research. I admit. But I think that's exactly what they'll do. I mean, it would make sense, right? When they lose all their strength to just give up. Retreat from the area for now. And go and go attack. They attacked. With their crazy shouts. Which again, I don't know if only they do that or if it's every faction gives out them concerned about humanities. Right. Keep advancing into here. They got quite a lot of land, that will go I agree to a fight. Oops. You can go straight up into here. And take that piece of land while they're at it. There we go, raided. That will just oh, that will actually just give it back to the zombies? No, that's not do that actually. Let's just continue raiding. Overrun? Oh, I think we got them. I think we overrun them, hold up. Yeah, they lost. Oh no, 3 more points. We spotted our grind running around in panic as they broke into their charge. I guess the war has weakened their defenses enough that they can't keep both zombies and both us and zombies out. That's a good thing. To be perfectly honest with you, I don't mind at all. Let's see about scouting some a little deeper into their main area. But at the same time, let's advance into their territory some more, because we're about to completely overrun them, just as they even suggest. Oh, just in time, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you so very fucking much. That's actually an amazing timing. Scouted. So now, 0 strength. But the round's rendering it, I think, unless we're about to get the events. Okay. 5 food. There you go. Get an human in. Apparently, we'll need to human over. Oh, there's their HQ. Let's attack that. Of course, it's a charge, by the way. Of course, it has to be a charge for religious extremists. Makes sense. Okay, let's advance into that. Maybe if we take their HQ, then they surrender. Because their strength is completely out. And yet they're still around. Also, we really need to squash the zombies from over here. Oh, I see, they also their lands in here already. Okay. We need to do some population control soon. Because these zombies are kind of running, are kind of getting out of hand. Okay. Where did their faction get them ends? Like, damn. Oh, there he is, there's our survivor. Oh, right, I forgot about this piece of land. They are absolutely fighting miserably. Oh, I see, it's because there is pretty much no strength anymore. Okay. Make sure it's the red ones. Oh, yeah. Epidemic. Oh, we are bad. We are doing bad. Oh no. We got people hurt. I wonder what's the deal with this station over there. Anyway, we're about to take over the HQ. Looking good. Come on. Not much more now. Let's go over here so we don't intrude on the reefs so much. No. Take care of that. Take care of that. You take care of that. You take care of that place over here. Okay, we almost got the HQ and storm the HQ. Oh, whoops. We should get preaching because people are getting kind of mad. Get you to Bartons really quick. There we go, the last judgment HQ destroys. Took particularly late in destroying how great this office when we stormed their headquarters in charge today. If they even manage to take it back, he's going to find some pretty hilarious graffiti in there. They seem to be pretty demoralized by losing their building. Cuts the stuff we found 8 materials, a chainsaw, and 8 food. It has been destroyed a lot. Very well. But they still didn't surrender. That's strange. Oh, there's the coastline. Looks like we're gonna be able to take them over fully soon. I think they're not even gonna be fighting back anymore. I think they're basically just not gonna be fighting back anymore, is what this is. Oh lord. Oh no, they are still fighting back. They are still absolutely fighting back. Okay. This. They're attacking over there. As there is for some help. Mate, I'm gonna need you to preach. What else is going on over here? Oh my goodness, how many are there? Attack this place. Alright. Like, this map actually isn't all that big. No, this kind of that's what I expected from this one. Still pretty cool though. There we go, that's taken over. Yeah, they're barely even fighting back anymore. The last okay, really funny. McNoodles. They have pretty much no strength left. Like they attack with fucking noodle hands. Like they just do absolutely nothing to us at this point. The zombies are also getting pretty weak. We can. Are we finally gonna have a fully 100% safe city? I think we can do that this time. I think we can do that. I think we should totally do that. A fully safe city. Can you imagine? Defend this area real quick. Attack. some extra ammo because we have an abundance of that. You over there preach for the people because they're a little mad. Okay, I guess stay here for now. We have to made them time over there, sorry. Limit shower to one sorry, I reckon. I ready to do that swap something. I don't do that, don't worry. No, not that, I'm not that strange. Two times is the least amount. Just kidding. 7. Alright, there we go. The Reaper getting more and more happy. There we go. Alright, you. Defend this place. Yeah, they're barely able to put up any defense anymore. That's good, that's really good. I think we can even encircle their territories and cause that to do something. Hold on, let me actually see. Because I encircled one of their territories and they kind of just gave up on that one. Finally, a fully saved city. Ain't that crazy? Took us a little, but we made it. Okay, there we doesn't too much. Some good field there. There we go. Oh, oops. We got some of those troublemakers over here. At this point, this is crowd control. Like, really, it's no longer in the war. Okay, let's see if we encircle those territories. Oh, I think we need to encircle it from every side. There can be entrance to the forest. Motherfucker, let me test my theory right now. Hold up. Oh, Lord. Let me test my theory right now. If we take over this... Huh? Why did we suddenly lose so many of these territories? Huh? Okay, let me see. Let me test my theory though. Given 5 rations. If we encircle this area right here, with nothing but us. Nope. Oh right, continue to take over this area too. Forgot. Oh my goodness. Yeah, take over that. Yeah, we are winning this battle. I guess eliminating means that we need to take over their whole territory. Ah, whoops. Didn't do that. The people are becoming happier, that's good. Okay. Oh, there is medicine. Take the reeds real quick, there we go. Get some money. It's not much consequence. Take care of that. Take care of all. Oh, oops. Take care of all of that. All of that. Wow, okay, this is the first one where we end up in this type of situation. Huh? Pure safety. Beautiful. And we are also becoming the strongest faction in this area, so that's also good. Okay, you go on ahead and take over this area. You go on ahead and take over this area. Take the risks. It's the price. You farm a little because we are kind of hungry right now. Another area here reclaimed. There we go. And damn, I think we did it! At least on the zombie part, there's still the reefs part, but we'll take care of that too. I can want us into another area, huh? Too far away? Oh right, yes, my bad. Oh shit, they invaded us, I didn't see any. Did some damage on left, okay. Nothing crazy. Yeah, now we can reshape this place the way we went. Hell yes, oh this is such a good victory. This is a historic victory. This is truly a moment in history. Oops. That. Nothing less than a moment in history. Take over that. And I think we did it. 3, 2, 1. Let them go, invite them to join us, kill them all. They are bitches, kill them all. Attack that. I'm not proud of the thing we've done as in this new war. Theft, murder, genocide, but we're doing what we must to build any future for humanity. We didn't find already among the bodies. Others of the last judgment are there to we took what supplies we had on them. It's best we eliminate them. Moses Lake is ours! We did it! Oh man, this is beautiful. This is just beautiful. I need to take a picture of this one. We have taken over the whole place. We've done it. Moses Lake is ours. And it is beautiful. It is safe and it is free. But now, it's time we head to a new city. Not is such a missionary. Continue. Leaving Moses Lake. Diana. I wish we'd had you to help up with the gangs. To help us deal with the gangs. Because just now resigning with the Last Judgment gang. These biker priests with a violent religious agenda. We had to run fathers already out of town so people could live peacefully here, but I doubt we've seen the last of them are the reefs. Well, the father is gone, so he's probably gonna be somewhere else and he's gonna be really mad at us. As for the reefs, I hope we see more of them because they are absolutely amazing. There we go. I don't really care about the final score of that match because it takes away a lot because of the days we spent, and I like taking my time in those cities. But Lord have mercy, 14,000 zombies killed. Only one dead survivor, which is kind of crazy. We don't get to see how many humans we killed. Yeah, that was pretty good. Spokane. Oh, there's still gonna be quite a lot of levels before we reach Hope, presumably. Spokane, but we're gonna change that name because it's fucking stupid. Like Spokane, come on, man. The biggest city in Washington State. And now let's see the Seattle's nothing but radiated hole in the ground. Oh right, because they nuked it, the government nuked it. There is a working government base here, but they shut the rest of survivors. Instead, they bully everyone into paying taxes, which they spend on their own part of defense. And that sounds about right. Oh, so the remaining parts of this local state government just barricaded themselves, and now they're now they're literally just expropriating. That's the word for that. Extracting from everyone with absolutely nothing in return. Like they grant us absolutely nothing and just steal from us. That's just great. We are going to kill those guys. I need you to know that we are going to kill those guys. I need to be out for the clear with you. We are going to slaughter them. Let us give it another name because this one is ugly. Yeah. Hold up. What should I name? Hold up. American native tribes. We could go with an Inca now that I think about it. But no, that's the generic. American indigenous tribes. Native Americans. What do we have? Navajo, Yupik, Haida, Backup, Wakata, Apache, Karas, Cherokee Nation. Why did I not think about that? I think there's a song called this way, if I'm not accurate, if I'm correct. Cherokee Nation. Oh yeah, this goes hard. I'm going easy. Yes, let's begin. Oh yeah, and so Cherokee Nation begins with a bunch of. Oh my goodness, the low levels. This guy looks like a Confederate. I'm not gonna lie. That guy sounds like a Confederate. Okay, but at least it seems semi-safe for now. But it is this way. I don't know whether it's actually the case though or not. Oh, also, hold up. Share, like Cherokee. But in the end, the revolutionary. There we go. We are absolutely eliminating this self-proclaimed government. Wannabe government. It's really a historic victory though, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, they are weak! Them zombies are weak in here, at least for now. That's probably only because of the eerie start. Well, not really start, but you got the idea. Now they surround this place again. We could use a hospital for sure. The more area, the better. We need to immediately expand. This way we are far safer in the future. Adopt the lady, sure. Hey, there we go, we are already bonusing them to the bonusing. Yeah. Good stuff, again, that was the last third. He disappears when we saw we are starting to take domination over the lands. I think he might be a little bit scared. Scaring some of this area. Oh, Lord! Maybe defend first. Okay. That's taken care of. Starting off far easier than the last time. Let's see if it lasts. Scaring as much as possible. Everyone must be guarded. And thank you. This could probably come in handy. Okay, well, they tried. Didn't really work for them. Once again, the more land we take out immediately, the better. Not good. Back to the head. Let's not secret the raptors. Which, by the way, we should go on ahead and improve that even more. I reckon we could make him into an absolute super soldier if we just use schools more often. And I think I do believe he still stay, right? Because like he's been a top tier leader ever since we made him such one. So you know, I reckon we could absolutely use Mike and have even crazier than he is right now. Not in a bad way, of course. What's the time on the video? 25 minutes. Yeah, I reckon we can make with this one a little bit shorter because we did quite a historic victory and now we established something of a presence here in the Cherokee Nation. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see other videos, and I hope to see you in the next one.